We're here on this special day. Our hearts are full of pleasure. A day that brings the two of you close together. We're gathered here to celebrate a moment you'll always treasure. We ask Allah to make your love last forever. Let's raise our hands and make dua like the Prophet taught us. And with one voice, let's all say, Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma fi khair. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma fi khair. From now you'll share all your joys through hardships, support each other, together worshiping Allah, seeking His pleasure. We pray that He will fill your life with happiness and blessings, to make your home filled with laughter. Let's raise our hands and make dua like the Prophet taught us. And with one voice, let's all say,